Today I'm taking you on a journey to the breathtaking Weekacura Waterfall in West South Sumba. Known for its stunning beauty and natural charm, this hidden gem is a must visit for any traveler exploring the Sumba Island. As you can see, Weekacura Waterfall is a popular spot for locals and tourists alike because of the refreshing water and picturesque surroundings, making an ideal place to relax and unwind. As we venture surrounded by the rice field, the air is filled with the sounds of nature. Birdsong, rustling leaves, and the distant roar of the waterfall create a serene and enchanting atmosphere. And there it is, Weekacura Waterfall, a majestic cascade of water plunging into a crystal clear pool. The sight is simply breathtaking. The cool waters of the pool offer a refreshing respite from the tropical heat. It's the perfect place to relax and soak up to the natural beauty of Sumba Island. As I told you before, the Weekacura Waterfall is a must-visit destination for anyone seeking an adventure, natural beauty, and a taste of Sumba-rich cultural heritage. So come and discover this hidden gem for yourself.